All right, your time now for 20 meteorologist Damon Matson joins us now. Not the nicest day.
No, definitely not.
I mean, the rain cleared out. It's an improved day.
You know, we got a little bit of
Yes.
improvement. Yeah, and a reminder there, I mean, we saw the remnants of that typhoon in Alaska. We're just thankful that what just happened for us, not quite as serious. We had a coastal storm, yes, but again, most of the impacts from that stayed over toward the coastline. Yes, we saw some rain. We had the clouds, but yeah, those have all been starting to clear out today. First, it was the rainfall earlier this morning that wrapped up, and now, I mean, folks, there's some golden hour sunshine breaking through on the National Cathedral as we try to wrap up this Tuesday. So yes, some clearing has finally started to take shape, and we will continue to see that improve. Now, the one constant, it's been the winds. We continue to have northerly gusts around, well, 10 to 15 miles an hour. That's actually the steady wind. The gusts are coming in still at around 20 miles an hour. Nowhere near as windy as we were back on Monday, even late Sunday for that matter. But yes, it's still going to keep moving out there. The winds are not expected to let up all that much, even as we head into the overnight hours. Here is the most important and the brightest news of the afternoon weather-wise. There go the clouds. The gray is finally getting chopped away at across northern Virginia, back up into north central Maryland. We still do have some clouds all the way out in western Maryland and east of I-95 toward the Chesapeake, but even in those few locations, we will see the clouds breaking up as we head into the night. Now, because that sun did briefly break out, we have an opportunity to see this 66 bump up by a couple of degrees before the day is done in the district, but those clouds held on long enough that most of us have stayed in the 60s. We only have a pocket of warmth down toward the Shenandoah Valley and the Blue Ridge there, where the sunshine has been out the longest down to the south and west. But hey, we'll take any little bit of a warm up we can get. Now, I mentioned the winds. They do not totally die down as we head into the night, but they will back off a little bit. We're only going to see maybe a few gusts around 15 miles an hour with steady wind speeds 5 to 10 miles per hour as we enter early Wednesday morning. But watch this. As we head throughout the morning into the afternoon on Wednesday, the winds, they pick right back up again with gusts around 25 miles an hour through the afternoon tomorrow. Now, these winds, they're changing direction a little bit coming out of the north and west. And the reason they're increasing again on Wednesday, there's going to be a dry cold front coming across the region here, and we have it on our map as well. That's helping to drive this clearing that is taking shape, as well as the fact that that coastal low finally cleared. It's no longer on any of our maps, but as that front dives through, we'll see a few more clouds back in the sky at times tomorrow, mixed with that sunshine, and then behind that front, there's no rainfall, but there is going to be the next burst of chillier air filling in across the region. So after we take one last run at the 70s tomorrow with those breezy winds around, look at the temperatures Wednesday night through Friday. Highs only in the 60s, lows in the 30s and 40s. Going to be a bit chilly to wrap up the week before we warm back up again with some rain in the mix by Sunday.
All right, Damon, thank you. We'll